guys, welcome back to Bihar Geek. So today we are solving one of the most popular coding challenge, that is trapping rainwater. Sound interesting, right? Let's break it down in the easier possible way solution. So the problem statement here says that imagine you have an array representing the height of bars in a histogram. Okay, when when it rains, water gets trapped between the bars. Okay, like you can see that the blue part is the rainwater which is stored between the heights. Okay, so your task is to find out how much water is trapped. Okay, we have to find it the maximum these units. So as you see that we have a given an array, and you see that here 6 units are storing, so that's why it's returning 6. Okay, so there is two approach. Either we can use the native approach or the optimal approach also. If we use a native approach, so in that case, what will happen that for each bar we have to check the maximum height on the left and right both. Okay, so in that case, we can calculate that tap water, but the problem is that the solution approach will be very slow. So the optimal approach will be the two pointer approach. In that case, the complexity is also of n. Okay, and we will use the two pointers where left and right we will have a two pointers. Okay, so keep the track of the maximum height and compute the water efficiently with with the complexity of O of n. Fine. So to start with the approach, first what we will do, we will initialize two pointer, one the starting and another will be the ending, that is left and right. So let me initialize this. Int left equal to 0 and int right equal to height dot length minus 1. Right? Now we need a variable to keep the track of the maximum height encountered from the left and right. Okay, right side. So we need int leftMax, and another we will need rightMax, and initially we will initialize the value 0. Okay, fine. Now what we need a variable to store the total amount of water. Okay, so we will initialize with int water equal to 0. Mm, Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to process uh, the pointer until both pointer meets. So we have to start with the while loop. Okay, and there will be left till both are not meet, till the loop will be run. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check a condition that left is shorter. Okay, if left is shorter, then process the left side. So if height left is equal to the height of right, in that case we have to go till that. Now what we have to do inside, we have to update the left if the current bar is the highest so far from the left. Okay, so for that case we have to put if height left is greater than or equal to the left max. In that case, what we have to do, inside left max we will put the value of height left. Fine. Else what we have to do, else we will have we have to like tap the position, okay, of the trap water. So in that case we will put simply water equal to left max minus height of the left. Fine. Now we have to move the left. So we will put left plus plus. Fine. Now for this if case, there will be an else case also. For this case, there will be an else case. Okay, to process the right side now. Okay, so inside this, we will have first if condition to update the right max if the current bar is the highest so far from the right. So we will put the same thing like height, and now we will put a right side, and that will be greater than or equal to the right max. Fine. So in that case, we will put the value inside the right max equal to height of the right. Height of the right. Okay. And there will be also a else case. Okay. Else will be what? That water plus equal to right max minus height of the right. Okay. And same we have to what we have to do after this if ends. When elsewhere ends, before that what we have to do, right minus minus to move the pointer to the left. Okay, when everything is end here, when everything is end, so we need to return water. That will be the total trapped water. Okay, let me run this. Unknown. Let me see. And we have used the approach that is two pointer approach here. Let me run this. What is getting? Cannot find this number. Right. Let me run this again. Okay, it got accepted. Let me submit this. So it got submitted. So what we have did, we have used the two pointer approach to reduce the time complexity, and we have left and right max to keep the track of the height of the bar. Okay, which are left and right max to keep the track of the highest bar seen from the left and right. Okay, if the left bar is smaller, we check the water trap on the left, otherwise we will check on the right side. And the formula which we have trap water at each position, we have did max minus height whatever the left we are currently in the while moving. Same for the right. Okay, and the complexity, you know, that is O of n for the time, and for the space we have used O of 1. Okay, so that's it for the today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.